Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Because date night is so important in relationships, we wanted to share with you guys what we do for our at-home date nights. Hopefully you guys can get some tips and ideas and recreate your own date night at home. So what we're going to do first is go ahead and prep all our food. We're going to make some steaks, some mashed potatoes, and we're going to have salad. Me and Jason love to cook together, and frankly, we actually like to do a lot of things together. He's usually my sous chef. And he does all the grilling. I am not a grill person. I can cook everything else, but grilling is just not my forte. And of course, it wouldn't be me if I didn't straighten the family room up. Of course, I like clean spaces. So I think just having a clean space, it makes your mood better. And well, at least for me it does. And I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances. And if you haven't seen the video that I did when I decorated the Christmas trees for Valentine's, I will link that up top in one of the cards so you guys can go check that out. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just want to tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile. So for date night, we have a mason jar that we keep popsicle sticks in. And on those popsicle sticks, we have wrote down just things that we want to do. Like Jason wrote some down, I wrote something down, and even my daughters actually wrote something down. It can be something as small as just you two getting in the car, driving down the freeway, and talking. I mean, it doesn't have to be very expensive all the time. And then we also have some sticks that says date night with the girls. We will do something fun, like maybe watch a movie, play a game or two, just whatever we have. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? So Jason just took the steaks off the grill, so we're gonna let those rest. And I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready to prep the mashed potatoes. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and set the table. And of course, this is a date night, so you have to do a little extra. So I like to make it look like we're in a fine restaurant. Another quick tip is if you don't have a official tablecloth, you can just use a bed sheet. This is a queen size bed sheet that I got from Walmart. It was I think it was $10. And it just makes it look like you're at a quality restaurant. And I just did the table setting and just fixed it up and made it look really nice for dinner. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. And for this date night, I did use a lot of those tea candles. You can get those at Walmart. They're 100 in a pack for $4. So I put tea candle lights everywhere. And you guys will see that throughout the whole video. Anytime you have candlelight, it really sets the mood, and anybody looks good up under candlelight. I just really wanted to make the table look really nice because Jason's always doing nice stuff for me. So I just love to do nice things for him. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these mashed potatoes. And with the mashed potatoes, I typically just use butter and heavy whipping cream. If you've never used heavy whipping cream in your mashed potatoes, you don't know what you're missing. It is so good. It just makes them really creamy also. And just in case somebody asked me about where I got those bowls that I have those mashed potatoes in, I got those from Home Goods. It's pretty cool because it has all the measurements on them and the conversions and all that stuff. So I love these cooking bowls. I have 3 and they're all different sizes. Moment, can we stay here forever? And yes, I'm doing the most. Remember, this is a date night video. So I'm putting all our condiments in a little bowl just to make it look really official, like we're at an official steak restaurant. Now, do you see how nice that looks with all those candles? It just makes everything look so good.
We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now.
So we did have to go change our outfits. Because again, this is date night.
To a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
So after dinner, I did create a candy table in our bedroom. I made some chocolate covered strawberries, and you guys, I will never buy chocolate covered strawberries from the grocery store. They were so easy to make. I can't even believe I have been buying chocolate covered strawberries from the stores around Valentine's Day. They were so easy to make, and we loved them. They truly tasted so good. So this is our candy table in the room. And again, using those tea lights, it just added so much to our date night. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. So after we ate candy, we did just run a nice bubble bath, and that's how we actually finished our night. And I did the same thing for the bathroom. I ran bath water, I put candles everywhere, and again, it just set the whole mood. So hopefully this video gave you guys some ideals, and just always remember to never stop dating one another, whether that be if you're married, if you guys are just dating one another, or, you know, just make sure you're always dating one another, because I think sometimes we just lose that, and that's where things kind of go downhill. So me and Jason always try to remember that we shouldn't take one another for granted, and we are very thankful for one another. We're best friends, guys. So that's why you see him a lot in all my videos, because whatever my passion is, it's his passion, and whatever his passion is, it's my passion. First of all, he's just a good person, and he's such a good man to me, and I know God sent him to me. So I just love him. I truly do. I want to say thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for all the support, all the comments that you guys are giving me. I really, really appreciate it. And I do try to respond to everybody. Even if I just hit the like button, I want you guys to know that I am reading every single comment. And I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys. If you're watching my video and you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and share my video. And again, you guys, let me know in the comments how you guys liked it. So it just helps me to put out more content. That way I know what you guys like. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.